Question 591. How do you handle versioning and release management in Azure DevOps projects? I use Azure DevOps release pipelines to automate versioning and deployment processes. By defining release gates, approvals, and environments, I ensure smooth and controlled releases while maintaining traceability and visibility into the release pipeline. Question 592. Can you explain how you integrate third-party tools and services with Azure DevOps? I utilize Azure DevOps service hooks to integrate external services like Slack, Jira, and GitHub with Azure DevOps pipelines. By setting up webhooks and triggers, I enable seamless communication and automation between different tools in the development workflow. Question 593. How do you handle containerization and orchestration in Azure DevOps projects? I use Azure Container Registry to store Docker images and Azure Kubernetes Service (AKS) for orchestrating containerized applications. By integrating Docker tasks in Azure DevOps pipelines, I automate the build, push, and deployment of containerized applications. Question 594. How do you approach disaster recovery and high availability in Azure DevOps environments? I implement geo-redundancy for critical Azure DevOps services and data to ensure high availability. I regularly back up configuration settings, pipelines, and artifacts, and test disaster recovery procedures to minimize downtime and data loss in case of failures. Question 595. Can you discuss your experience with automating infrastructure provisioning using Azure DevOps? I automate infrastructure provisioning by defining infrastructure configurations as code using tools like ARM templates or Terraform. By integrating these templates into Azure DevOps pipelines, I enable automated deployment and management of infrastructure resources. Question 596. How do you ensure the scalability and performance of Azure DevOps build agents? I configure agent pools with dynamic scaling to automatically add or remove agents based on workload demands. By optimizing agent configurations, allocating resources efficiently, and monitoring agent performance, I ensure scalable and reliable build execution. Question 597. Can you explain the concept of blue-green deployments and how you implement them in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployments involve maintaining two identical production environments, one active, blue, and one standby, green. In Azure DevOps, I use deployment slots in Azure App Service to achieve blue-green deployments, allowing seamless and controlled rollouts with zero downtime. Question 598. How do you ensure collaboration and communication among team members in Azure DevOps projects? I leverage Azure Boards for agile project management, Azure Repos for version control, and Azure Pipelines for CI/CD to facilitate seamless collaboration and communication. By setting up notifications, using Kanban boards, and conducting regular stand-up meetings, I promote teamwork and transparency. Question 599. How do you approach code quality and testing practices in Azure DevOps pipelines? I integrate static code analysis tools like SonarQube, unit testing frameworks, and code coverage tools into Azure DevOps pipelines to ensure code quality. By automating code reviews, running tests on every code change, and enforcing coding standards, I maintain high-quality code throughout the development lifecycle. Question 600. Can you discuss your experience with implementing infrastructure monitoring and alerting in Azure DevOps projects? I set up Azure Monitor to collect and analyze performance metrics, logs, and traces from Azure DevOps services. By configuring alerts, dashboards, and automated actions based on monitoring data, I proactively identify and address performance issues, ensuring optimal operation of Azure DevOps environments. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, Maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.